If your video ever looks slightly choppy, or just doesn't feel smooth, even when everything else is fine, there's a good chance your frame rate was set wrong at the start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set your frame rate in DaVinci Resolve the right way, so you avoid that problem completely. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project. Before you import any clips, go down to the bottom right corner and click on the gear icon. This opens your project settings. Make sure you're in the Master Settings tab. At the top, you'll see Timeline Frame Rate. This controls how your entire video will play and export, so this is the setting you want to get right. Now, instead of guessing, match this to your footage. If your clips were recorded at 24 frames per second, set this to 24. If they were recorded at 30, set it to 30. If they were recorded at 60, set it to 60. If you're not sure what your footage is, take a second to check before importing it. You can right-click your video file on your computer, go to Properties and find the frame rate there. That quick check can save you from having to redo your entire project later. Once you've set your frame rate, click Save. Now this next part is important. As soon as you bring clips into your timeline and start editing, DaVinci Resolve will lock this setting. So if you realize later that it's wrong, you usually can't just change it. You'd have to create a new timeline, or even restart your project. That's why I always double check this before moving on. Here's a small tip that can help you get more out of your footage. If you filmed at 60 frames per second, but you want a more standard look, you can set your timeline to 30. This gives you the option to slow your footage down later and get smooth slow motion without any stutter. Another thing to watch for is consistency. If you mix different frame rates without paying attention, your video can feel a bit off, even if you can't immediately tell why. So try to keep your timeline and footage aligned, or at least be intentional with how you're using different clips. So to keep it simple, set your frame rate before you start editing, match it to your footage, and take a few seconds to double check before importing anything. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in how professional your video looks. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a tutorial.